Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to pre-cook chicken to use in your favourite curry. To make the chicken, you need around 1 kilogram of chicken breast cut into chunks. I prefer to use mini fillets as you do not need to cut them at all. Half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of mixed powder or curry powder, and enough water to cover it by 2 inches. Start a pan boiling with enough water to cover the chicken without it overflowing. When it's boiling, add the curry powder, tomato paste, and the salt to the water, then stir in well. Carefully add the chicken and stir gently to ensure all the pieces are cooking evenly. Then maintain the temperature at around 80 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Check the largest piece of chicken is cooked by cutting it in half. Then carefully tip off the hot liquid and replace with cold water to stop it cooking further and reduce its heat. Cool, then refrigerate for up to 3 days or vacuum seal and store for up to 6 months. To defrost, simply remove the amount of meat you want 30 minutes before you start to cook. Then add your curry for the last 5 minutes of cooking. Please remember to like and subscribe, and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.